In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google AdSense support. If you've run into an issue with your ads, payments, or policy notifications, getting in touch with the right team can save time and frustration. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to click, and how to clearly share your concern so your request reaches the right place. Start by going to your Google AdSense account. Open your browser and head to the AdSense homepage, then make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that manages your site or channel. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the one connected to AdSense. Using a desktop browser is usually best because it shows the full dashboard and all support options. If the page looks different from what you remember, don't worry. Google updates the interface from time to time, but the tools you need are still in the same general area. Once you're in your account, look to the top right corner of the dashboard for the small question mark icon. This is the Help icon, and it opens the Help panel for quick assistance. Click that icon to bring up support resources. If your browser is zoomed in or your window is very narrow, widen it so the toolbar is visible. In the Help panel that slides out, you'll see links to articles and, importantly, the option to contact support. Click the Contact US option here. Depending on your account and region, this may appear as a button or a link within the panel. After you click Contact Us, you'll be prompted to enter your concern. Type a clear, concise description of the issue you're facing. Include key details like the exact error message you see, where it appears in your account, when the problem started, and any steps you've already tried. The goal is to help support understand the situation quickly so they can route it correctly and respond with a precise solution. If you're given a field to select a category or topic, pick the one that best matches your issue. This improves response accuracy. Keep your tone straightforward and professional. Once your message looks complete, submit the form. You may see suggested help articles right away. If those don't resolve it, your submission will still reach the support team. Response times can vary, so watch the inbox associated with your AdSense account and check your account notifications for updates. That's it. Go to your AdSense account, click the question mark icon, choose Contact Us, and enter your concern with clear details. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to getting help from Google AdSense support.